Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Samsung tablets on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Samsung's Galaxy Tab A7 emerges as the budget Android tablet that enthusiasts have been eagerly anticipating. Priced at just under $300, it stands out in the realm of iPad alternatives, offering a cost-effective option. The tablet boasts thinner bezels than the 10.2-inch iPad, coupled with an impressive 13-plus-hour battery life, ensuring an extended viewing and reading experience. Additionally, it features facial recognition for convenient device unlocking. The inclusion of USB-C charging adds to its modern appeal, allowing users to utilize the same cable for charging as with contemporary phones and laptops. While its brightness and speed could be slightly improved, the Galaxy Tab A7 provides an authentic Android experience, complete with the Google Play App Store and Google Apps. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 stands out as one of the finest offerings from Samsung, particularly for its remarkable battery life that exceeds 13 hours, a noteworthy feature. Equipped with exceptional cameras, including a 13MP main camera, a 5MP secondary ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP front-facing camera, the tablet ensures impressive photographic capabilities. The device represents an upgrade from the Galaxy Tab S6, featuring an enhanced S Pen included in the package. Additionally, the Galaxy Tab S7 boasts faster processors and the added benefit of 5G connectivity. For a comprehensive overview and to view sample pictures captured with the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus, refer to our detailed review. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE follows the success of the Galaxy S20 FE, providing Android users with a cost-effective option to experience the advanced features of the Galaxy Tab S7 series. Renowned for its impressive battery life, the tablet excelled in our review by lasting a remarkable 13 hours on our battery test, ensuring extended usability without the need for frequent charging. Another notable feature is the inclusion of the S Pen, a beloved accessory that enhances productivity and usability. With a solid 4-star rating, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE stands out as an excellent sub-flagship device, offering users a lightweight and efficient tool for various tasks. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. The Galaxy Tab S8 excels as a versatile and high-performance Android tablet, showcasing its strength as a general-purpose device. While it can effectively handle work-related tasks when needed, its true potential shines in providing an enjoyable experience for both work and play. Whether used for gaming, reading comics, or as a note-taking device, the tablet proves its worth in various scenarios. Its seamless integration into the Galaxy ecosystem, coupled with DeX compatibility for enhanced workspace functionality, enhances its appeal. While the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra may cater to those seeking the largest and most advanced Android slate, the Galaxy Tab S8 offers an excellent balance, setting a new standard for premium Android tablets and meeting the expectations of users across different usage scenarios. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, priced at $1,099, emerges as a standout tablet that surpasses the iPad Pro in sheer size, boasting a massive 14.6-inch OLED display. This Android tablet not only dwarfs the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, but also positions itself as a potential laptop replacement, especially with the optional keyboard attachment and enhanced multi-window mode. Samsung strategically targets remote and hybrid workers, equipping the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra with dual front cameras supporting up to 4K resolution for video calls, auto framing to keep users in focus, and advanced noise reduction for clear audio. Key features of the Tab S8 Ultra include a high-performance Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, a responsive S Pen with low latency, 45 watts fast charging capabilities, and improved connectivity with Galaxy S series phones. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.